It's 6 o'clock in the morning and we're going surfing today. But first the boys ordered pancakes, so we started doing that. And I think it's time to wake up, guys. 1 hour later, Frank is up and the food is done. Today we're at SRC2 and we think this is gonna be the surf spot for the day. I'm just a bit skeptic because there's no other surfers in the water. But it's a beautiful day and nice waves. The surf spot is located on west coast of Sardinia. It's beautiful. It's 8 degrees outside, so it's a bit cold, but can't get everything. At least it's sun today. And the surf looks really, really good. So today's surf was fun, but it was hard work. It's so cold in the water, so my shoulders get quite stiff quite fast. So I think I'm done for the day, but the boys are still out there struggling. But it's a beautiful spot and we've had a good day. And it's so much fun to watch the big surfers out there. You can't even see them here. We left Cagliari yesterday around 8 and we were supposed to fill up the boat with diesel, but Google Maps had wrong, it wasn't open. So today we're in Calforte trying to get some diesel. It's like a really cute town. Hopefully we can park here at the marina and try to get some lunch as well, because we haven't eaten anything this morning. The sea was quite rough, so I didn't feel like cooking. I just gave the boys a banana each for breakfast. It was too shallow to get into the fuel station, so we had to refill our canisters and fill the boat up that way. I think we have a fish. Our first fish. Nice. That this was a tuna, but it's white meat and not at all as tuna. So now we don't know if we can eat it or if it's poison. I've already tried a piece of it. It was really good. they really look like a tuna. This morning we're reaching Spain. Mallorca is over there. But we've decided to anchor at this national park over here. And hopefully we can do some hikes up on the mountain. It looks really beautiful. We had a really nice sunrise there as well. And we lost 3 of our lures for fishing, so the next days we need to find some more to shop. Maybe we'll go into Mallorca. In Spain you're not allowed to anchor where it's seagrass at the bottom, so at the moment we're trying to find a good sandy spot here in Ibiza. We were not able to put down the anchor. It was too much seagrass everywhere, so we decided to just fill Constellation up with diesel and then leave Ibiza again. We've been up for like 5 hours, having coffee 2 times, and Frank is pissed because he didn't get any coffee.
Candy. My breakfast.
So he gets energy to go to the shop. This morning we arrived at Cartagena, that is a place where a lot of sailboats spend their winter. When in Spain. That was everything we had for this week, but join us again in a week. If you like the videos, please like them, share and subscribe to get the latest news. See you in a week.